In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a creator and sell your own templates on Webflow. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to get started and begin earning from your designs. Let's start by opening the Webflow website. Once you're there, locate and click on the Resources section in the navigation menu. This is where you'll find a treasure trove of tools and guides to help with your Webflow journey. Among these resources, there's a section labeled Templates. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to an impressive gallery of templates that others have created and you can gain inspiration from. Now, scroll all the way down through the page until you see the Get Started button. Don't worry if it takes a bit of scrolling, it's located at the bottom of the templates page. This button is your gateway to becoming a template creator. Next, click on Get Started. You'll be directed to a new page where your first step is to click on Become a Creator. This starts your application process. Here, you'll need to fill out some necessary information. This includes your country, email address, and other vital personal details. Be thorough and ensure all your information is accurate before moving forward. Once you've filled out this section, there will be a Submit button waiting for you. Click it, and you'll encounter a few more questions. Don't rush through them. Providing thoughtful answers can enhance your application and showcase your motivation to join the creator community. After completing this set of questions, you'll enter the application review process. It's during this stage that your application will be assessed, and once accepted, you'll be able to start selling your templates and earn money. Once you receive the green light to proceed, it's time to submit your first template. To do this, click on Submit a Template. This brings up a detailed form where you'll need to provide essential details about your template. Make sure you fill out everything required, leaving